today, but today we are going to be going to the Hmong New Year and we're going to be eating food. I'm going to see how much food I can eat for $100, but
4 plates.
but we're just probably going to share them because I'm going to try to eat a lot. I'm going to, hopefully there's like this bubble waffle thing. I think it has ice cream in it and you can get fruit and stuff in it.
There's bingsu there too.
Oh, so I'm going to try that. I want to try a lot of stuff, so I'll see y'all there.
This dress is too tight.
Oh,
I feel like it's gonna snap.
be careful. That's Justin's cute outfit. Yeah. We're going to try this bubble waffle.
I just share with you.
Oh, what is this thing? She got a taro boba.
Shaman's drinking it.
What'd you think? Good?
The boba is actually soft.
Really? Wow.
It tastes like the mom gets us at the Hmong store.
Oh, nice. Hello.
How are we gonna eat
Don't know. Oh, we only got one. Let me ask for another.
it? Eat it, bro.
You just eat it however.
It's so thin. It's like one
Whoa.
strawberry.
Like fall.
Can I video you?
Ain't nobody here. I
You good?
I don't really think so.
I'm gonna rip this bubble off.
It's hard to hold. It's like slippery.
Yeah.
Strawberry. I'm gonna get this whipped cream.
Man.
It's coming off.
Yeah, just bite it. There's jam in it. You want a bite, Jenny? A whipped cream and strawberries?
So what I forgot to do
Good?
Yeah. You want to try? Breaking up the waffle.
Whipped
Getting
cream's
a
almost done.
Scoop with the chocolate ice cream. Good.
Pretty messy.
Yeah, it is. You want some?
The part you gave me tastes kind of weird.
Really?
Yeah, I think my baby whipped cream.
Might be. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna take a bite.
Would you rate it?
It's just ice cream.
Yeah.
It's okay. Oh, it might have some powdered sugar too or something on it.
Maybe.
I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. It's
Bye.
like slippery to hold.
Okay, I guess I'll take this wafer. You want a bite?
Someone's taking the strawberry.
Perfect.
Okay, y'all. We'll see you at the next food.
Oh.
Okay, we got the empanada and an order of the crab rangoon. We're gonna open up this sauce. It's like a pink. Maybe it might be some kind of like sweet sauce. Smell it.
Pink lemonade.
I can't. It don't smell like nothing.
Try it.
Okay. You can try if you want to. Jam in.
It smells sour.
Sour? Okay.
I don't want it.
What you think? Oh. Okay. Good. Okay. I'm gonna try
It's
by.
just cream cheese and ham.
Oh. I wonder if it's.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's the sauce and stuff.
That's good. Hang on. Let me show y'all too. It's kind of sweet. He is our plate holder.
Just like the eggroll sauce.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
I'm gonna,
One more.
go ahead. I'm gonna dip it. You want more? Another bite? Good.
Okay, now it tastes a little more.
Yeah. Are y'all good if I just hold that whole thing? Okay, this is the empanada. And this came with a little sauce as well. I'm just gonna hold it, y'all. And I'll let Tu get the first bite. Since he's the camera, I'm holding it for him. Oh, steamy.
I didn't get much of it, but
Oh, you didn't?
the sauce tastes pretty good.
Really? You want another bite?
Not bad. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Corn, cheese.
Oh. Not bad.
Yeah. You want a bite on this side? You don't want a bite? Okay. I'll eat another bite. It might be potato. I'm not sure too.
Really? Oh, this one.
Or you can't eat it. You got it? You holding it? Am I holding it? Oh, I almost let it go.
Bro.
Okay, y'all. See y'all at the next food. Oh yeah, this is $10, so we spent 20 already. We got 80 left. Yeah.
We got a fried banana.
And try not to get people. We got it at that little stall.
What?
Can you record it? The stall? The food?
Yeah. I am.
Hang on.
It's hot, fresh.
Cheapest thing at Hmong New Year.
Maybe.
Oh, country.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
They look like crispy. Okay. You want to try our banana? Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Kind of got chua.
Oh, that's the sugar candy I got.
Yeah, it's all the way down there.
Yeah, right there. That one's good though.
Get some sugar cane drink.
It'll be $8, and then we'll have 70. What? I don't know.
You don't know.
$71 left, I think.
Recording.
Okay, I got the sugar cane drink from last time, but this time it's a little bit purple. That's good.
Good. Not today.
It's good. You want to try it? Can we try it? Sweeter.
Oh man, sweeter. Oh yeah, that's good. We're gonna try the Nam Khao right here and the Isaan Sausage. Look at all this food. Right here.
Yeah, can I get one of the Isaan sausage?
Anything else?
That's it.
You can do $520. You can pick anything you can make.
No. You guys want anything?
Yeah.
How much is one?
$5 please.
Yeah. We got that. And we got this sausage. You ready to eat?
Yeah, we'll try.
That's $5 each.
This is the Isaan sausage. Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. Oh yeah. Lychee. What?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, I guess because you got the top ones.
You want to try a bite?
Okay.
You don't want a video?
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh yeah. Tastes like sausage.
Go ahead. This is the Nam Gao? I forgot.
Nam Khao's.
Right. So we're gonna try. Oh, we got chili
pepper.
in there, bro. Oh. All right.
Different.
Different. Is it sweet, salty, sour?
I like a little. I guess kind of like similar taste to la a little bit.
Really? Interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna try a bite.
With the pepper?
No pepper. Try not to get pepper. This is my bite. There's something crunchy in it.
Yeah. Maybe the rice.
Maybe. I think usually it's like a fried rice. Like a fried rice ball. That's how we make it. But here, eat sausage with it too. It's kind of salty though.
Yeah.
Kind of bad to record it. Gemma's over here, but she's not eating. You don't want to eat?
You sure?
You can bite right here.
I'll take off that one.
Yeah. You want to eat this one? Okay. Put that one right here. Somewhere. Okay.
Don't roll away.
You can eat that one. I have something in it. But I don't know what.
Yeah. I think there's some meat or something.
Maybe.
Some kind of meat. Not sure what kind of meat it is.
Me too.
Oh, my.
They got the strings thingies.
Yeah.
When we eat something else. Gonna try this bubble tea. It is maybe $8. Jamin's getting a lychee boba. Here's Taste Taro. Here's Tube. He got his pineapple. You want to try one, Jamin? No? I'll eat it too. Rice crackers. They are $5 for all three. And they're pretty big. Oh, there's 4 in there. Yeah, all 4. Here. Okay, y'all want one? No. You want one? It's not too big. Like a smaller. Okay. There's one with these brown stuff on it, and one without the brown stuff. I got the one with the brown stuff.
Isn't it sugar?
I think so.
Do you mom's eat that?
What?
Do you mom's eat sugar?
Mm-mm.
I should be eating this full of broccoli and cauliflower.
Yeah. Ooh, it got plastic in them. Maybe I'll from the bag. I want.
What's your bag?
Right here.
No, your bag.
Oh, in my bag.
Oh, let's do this.
You guys want to try some of this?
I might have to re-air fry it.
It's okay.
So it'll be warm.
The rest of the day. No,
Yeah. It's
Like
got
this?
salt. It's got some pepper in it.
it's a tin of purple rice. A gray rice. Wow, those are huge.
I think the pepper's good.
Usually not. Oh, you can try my pepper too. Pepper import. This one's funny tasting. It's like salty and watery.
Try this one.
How's it like?
Oh!
This one tastes like more of salty and maybe nampai kind of taste or something.
Oh yeah. Be careful when you eat this.
Yeah.
Eggroll. Eggroll.
You guys can't say that. I think that one's like a more sweeter taste.
Hey babe. Hi mommy.
Oh.
I guess this one's better, but
Not. Crunchy? That's not fresh. Yeah.
I'll try. Spicy. Weird. That's okay.
Oh.
How's the hair?
From the pepper? Or from the meat?
On me.
Damn. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I've got to put it here.
Sorry.
No. Trash. My little pony.
Shut up, Brett.